Okay, in this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your finisher issue. And the issue I'm referring to is if you don't see your two adjustable finger arms or sensor arms on top of the tray here, it's because they got stuck underneath the tray, and that will cause an error code on your machine every time you install your finisher to your machine. So in order to do that, in this demonstration, I'll be showing you how to do that. All you really need is a Phillips screwdriver, preferably with a magnetic tip. It makes it so much easier when you're putting the screws back. So let's get started. What we're going to do is we're going to be using a power screwdriver that you see here just to speed things up, but you don't need this. Just a regular Phillips #2 screwdriver with a magnetic tip, preferably, will make your life so much easier. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is remove this bottom plastic tray. It's held by two screws, one screw there and one screw there. Once that's out, just wiggle that cover out, just like that. Set it down on the floor. Now you have a total of 3 screws. Your first screw is going to be there, and your other screw is way inside there. I'll go ahead and get a flashlight, see if you could see it right there. Just like that. So you go ahead and we're going to go ahead and remove that. So this one, let me remove that one. Now we're going to remove that one there. Okay, now the third screw is going to be this cover here. Now, once we remove this, we're gently going to push this out. Not all the way, because we don't want this tension to pop out. I mean, this little knob here to pop out. And if it does, no worries, we'll install that. But if you just pull it out just a little and bring this tray out just like that. So we want this part right here to pop out of here. Do you notice how we did not pull that cover too far out? Just do it enough so that this thing pops out. Just give it a little twist and pop it out. And then same thing here. We're going to remove that. We want that to just show just like that. So we want that little lip, if you will, just pop out like that. So now we're going to bring it out just a little, enough so that we can push down and bring those 2 fingers back up like that. Now when that's there, we adjust it back. So we're going to start with this corner here. We're going to put that underneath just like that, and then come here, bring this cover out just a little and wiggle it in there. You know, it's not going to be the easiest. I mean, it's not going to just slide in there either, but it's not that difficult. Just give it a little, just like that. Just pop it in there and put that cover back. Okay, so one of the secret ways that I like to do it is underneath here, you see a little plastic. If you could just like put that, push it down and in. So it's sort of like, let me raise this again. So this little plastic has to go under the metal there, just like that. So just make sure you can push down and it'll go right back into place just like that. And then just reverse the steps. Go ahead and put the screw, if you want. I'm going to put with this screw right here just so that it doesn't pop back out. Put your other screw there, the second screw. And now we're going to come over here and put that screw in there. Now finally we're going to put that cover back in there. So it just fits in there. It's just a decorative cover. Make sure that the holes line up with the screw holes there. Just pop it in there just like that. Put that screw. And there you have it. So now your finisher will look like that. You'll see your 2 spring tension arms just like that. When you slide this, well, in fact, let me go ahead and show you how to put this finisher back in. So here we are in front of the machine holding the finisher just like that. It's real simple as just sliding it in there just like that. Just push it all the way up until that fits just like that. Once that's flat in there, that's all you need to do. Put that screw back that you originally took out. And now we're going to put that cover back in there. Your cover looks a little different than this one because this is the older model. If you're using the new 3555 machines, those are the new model. They'll look a little different, but it should be about the same. Just put that cover back in there. And now we got our final cover to put back. You open up the front door, slide that finisher out, and you just pretty much, you got 3 little L-shaped clips there that have to go inside these 3 little squares there. Put it in there just like that and push it. Push it. So now once this is lined up to the hole, you just put that screw in there and you're done. Now make sure that you plug this in, but make sure the copier is off when you do that. Do not plug it in when it's on, or else you're going to get another code and you're going to think it doesn't work. So the copier has to be unplugged when you're plugging this finisher in. So you're good to go. Any questions? Give us a call.